Hello YouTube, fellow viewers, subscribers and friends. How are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how you change the front suspension holders, pin holders for the Laegendary Thunder. Because I had a breakage in a jump, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, let's get into it. First, I'll be removing this. So I'm gonna try not to lose track of the screws. Now I'm going after these screws here. Now for these two rear ones, because we're going to remove the center reinforcement. I'm gonna put the screws in their place so I don't lose them. Alright. Now we turn it over. I have to remove these ones. These ones here. Now This comes out all in one piece. The grease is good. So the pieces that I'm gonna change is this. This piece broke. You see? This is the inner one. Gonna remove it. Now I'm gonna put the rear first and then front one. Seems easier. I'm trying to figure out which ones are for the back. This one here. They are very similar, but they are not the same. So these are for the front. It goes like so. Now, these pieces go to the down part. Like so. Now for the screws. It's good. Turn it around. Now here in the front we have 3 screws, not 2. So be mindful of that. So the outside ones are the long ones, and in the middle you have the small one. Right. Just comparing the two. We are golden. So stick it in. So the longer ones on the outside. The bumper is in the way, sorry for that. But yeah, it's a no-brainer. You already understood by now what I'm doing. Alright. No. Oh, now I don't know what type of grease is this, but I also can't see any problems. So I might not do nothing. I was wondering if I should add any type of grease in here, but I think this grease still work. So I'm wondering. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. Let's see. It's a strange grease, that's for sure. Yeah, but it is grease. It smells like it. So I'm gonna spread it and call it a day. It's grease. It's not the best in the world, but it's grease, and grease is grease. So for me it's good. Suspension front holder changed. Now I won't have any problems more here. So let's put this back together and have fun. Last part I always tighten by hand, because we don't want to ruin the plastic threads. So you should always give that last tighten by hand, so you can control how much force you are putting. It's good. It's done. Now it won't break from here anymore. We'll see what will break next. I also have this for the rear, but I'll do that in another video, because this video is long enough now. Alright? So, if you like the video, please give me the like. Consider subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.